Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can open private account on Instagram if you didn't follow this person, so how you can also view his or her account. So you can't do it anyway. So don't believe anyone that tells you that there is some method that you can also open and view this account, not following this account. So there is no way for doing this. So I want to tell you that you just need to follow that account, and the user needs to confirm you for following himself or herself, and only after you will have access for viewing this account. So there is no way how you can do it without following this person. So you need to know this. Also you can create another account, fake account, and just follow from fake account. But also there is no another way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, hit like, and goodbye.